Oh my days, this bag is so gorgeous. It's the definition of beauty. I'm in love with this bag. I can't believe I have this bag in my hands right now. If you're looking for a perfect black midi dress, then this is it. This is it. You found the perfect midi dress, okay? Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. Today's video is a collective haul, so basically I'll be sharing with you all items that I picked up from different brands and different stores. I'll also be showing you all what's new in my wardrobe. I feel like my wardrobe is gradually expanding. Like in the past couple of months, I've actually been shopping quite a bit and I've picked up new in pieces in my wardrobe that I feel like I haven't shown you all. To be fair, some of the items I'll be showing you all today have actually featured in my previous videos, but just in case you haven't watched those videos, I thought why not feature one or two of them here again, because these are really good quality items and you might be interested in getting them as well. I'll put a link to all the items that I'll be sharing with you all today if they're still available. If not, I'll put similar links and leave in the description box for you all. If you enjoyed watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. First item is one I'm actually obsessed with, and I can't believe I finally took the plunge and I bought it. It's the Coach Pillow Tabby shoulder bag. That's a mouthful. Coach Pillow Tabby shoulder bag in black. Oh my days, this bag is so gorgeous. It's the definition of beauty. I'm in love with this bag. I can't believe I have this bag in my hands right now. It is so beautiful. Oh my days. So story time. I went into I think it was Stratford a couple of weeks ago. I was basically just browsing, window shopping like I would usually do, and I went into Coach. I had a look at this Coach pillow bag in black and in cream. I'll insert the clips when I went into the store and I took a video of the bag, and I was basically just romanticizing the bag and just wishing that I had it, but I actually did not have any intention of buying it at that time. And then I came across the bag again and it was reduced, it was on sale, and the way I rushed and I bought it, I think going into that store actually sowed a seed in my head or in my mind that I did not know existed until I saw it on sale, and I was like, this bag looks really beautiful in person, why don't you just get it? And guys, like they say, the rest is history. Here is the bag live in my hand and I'm in love with this bag. It is so beautiful. So it arrived last week and I've unboxed it already, as you can see, because I just could not wait. I was so impatient to actually like hold the bags in my hand. So this is the short strap. So it comes with two straps. A short strap if you're going for a more dressed up look, and then it also comes with a long strap. If you're carrying the bag in a more casual way, you can use the short strap. This is what the inside looks like. It's quite spacious. The leather of this bag is a dream. It's beautiful. I don't know what other words to use to describe this bag, but all the beautiful words, just use it to describe this bag. It is so gorgeous. The softness of the bag, it's indeed a pillow bag. Literally, you can rest your head. You can rest your head on it. Oh my days, I absolutely love this bag. This is going to be my most used, most worn, most loved bag. It's going to really go through a lot in my hands. So for the details, it has this C Coach logo, their standard Coach logo in front, and it's really beautiful. It also has like a gold detail alongside the black leather in front, which is so beautiful, and then it also has a gold hardware on the sides as well. I really love bags that have gold hardware because it goes with a lot of my accessories, and I think it just pairs nicely with my outfit as well. So this Tabby pillow bag comes in two sizes. I think the 18-inch one, which is the smaller size, and then this is the 24-inch one if I'm not mistaken. So I decided to go for the big one because I just felt like I have smaller black bags, so I just thought why not go for a bigger bag so I can fit in a lot of my items. And I love the decision that I made. This bag is definitely going to fit quite a lot of my items. So the inside is quite spacious, and then it has a zip in the middle, as well, just a little compartment in the middle with a zip, which is really, really beautiful. Oops, okay. It also has a coach. I think the certificate, I must have removed it. Let me just put in the short strap so you see what it looks like with the short strap on. So this is the bag with the short strap. So I'll definitely use the short strap if I'm going for a more dressed up look. And if I'm carrying the bag in a more casual way, then I would use the long strap, which I think would look really, really beautiful. I cannot wait to style this bag. I'm so in love. The next item is a coat I got from Asos, and this coat is so beautiful. This is what the coat looks like. It's really, really heavy, and the color is in this nice chocolate brown color. It's such a beautiful deep shade of chocolate, which I really, really love, and it complements my skin tone so beautifully. I would insert try on clips of me trying on this item so you guys can see what it looks like on me. But this is such a stun. I know I'm covering my face, but just take a look at this coat for a minute. This coat is so beautiful. I am absolutely in love with it. So it's in a size 12. It comes quite oversized, in fact very oversized, so I decided to just go one size up because, like you all know, I love my coats really roomy so I can layer in and it's not uncomfortable, it's not stiff on me. So I decided to go with a size 12, which is like my regular size. It's also from their tall range, which I love. So for my tall babe, this coat would look absolutely beautiful on you. It hits me just below my ankle, which is the perfect length I would love for my coat. But the material composition, let me have a look. It's 100% polyester. The quality is actually really, really good. I think it's one that you would get a lot of wear from. You would actually use for a very long time, which I absolutely love and I'm here for. And it was quite inexpensive as well. I believe I paid just over £50 for this coat, and it was also on sale. We love a good deal over here. We love a good deal. I think it was originally £105 thereabout, but I paid about £55 for the coat, which I think is a very good deal. In fact, it's a steal in my opinion. So it's a double-breasted coat. I'm not sure if I've mentioned. It has 2 buttons on each side, so you can always like button it up and close it up if you wanted more coverage, you wanted more warmth rather. I absolutely love this coat. My voice is even going. And I cannot wait to style it. And the color is so beautiful. The color is so gorgeous. I'll leave the link in the description box. Hopefully it's still available. I think it was low in stock when I purchased mine a couple of weeks ago. So fingers crossed it's still available. If it is, I'll leave the link for you all in the description box if you're interested in getting it. The next item is this Ralph Lauren bag I picked up from TK Maxx a couple of weeks ago when I was in store. And this bag is really so beautiful. So I've been on the hunt for the perfect work bag, a bag that can fit my laptop and a few other bits I would usually take to work. And then I came across this one at TK Maxx when I was just browsing and shopping the other day, and it was also the last one in store. So the way I rushed to grab this bag, like my life depended on it. It's really so beautiful. And it's 100% cow leather, which means that this bag will stand the test of time. You would actually get a lot of wear from this bag. For the details, it has the Ralph Lauren printing just basically at the top of the bag. It's not too bold, but at the same time it's quite visible, so you can see it if you come a bit closer. And the inside is really deep, so it's a never full bag, and I actually feel like this bag is always never full. No matter what I put in this bag, there is still space, which I absolutely love. It's really, really deep, and I love the red color inside as well. It just adds a bit of pop to the black, so it's not like an all black bag, which I love. And then there's a compartment here. There's a pocket here. If you don't want to put your phone in the main compartment, you can just put it in this pocket here for easy reach and easy access. And then it comes with 2 side pockets as well. So sometimes I actually put my phone or my bank card here. If I don't basically just want to go through the main compartment, I can just quickly reach for my phone or reach for my bank card when I'm out. And one more thing which is worth mentioning, it has this detail at the bottom as well, which I think is really, really good. So if you were to put your bag on the floor, you won't be scratching the bottom part of the bag, because it has this little stand, so to speak. Would I call it a stand? Basically, I think that's what it is. So if you put your bag on the floor, the bottom of the bag would not scratch, which I think is a really good and thoughtful thing of them to do. This is what it looks like. I would insert a clip of the unboxing so you can see what it looked like when I basically picked it up from store and unboxed it. But I really cannot wait to use this bag. I don't think I've mentioned how much I paid for it. It was £120. We all know that TK Maxx has a really good discount. So from the regular price, I think it was around £254, but TK Maxx were selling it for £120, which I think it's a really good deal for a designer bag. It really is steal. I absolutely love it. Next item is this black ruched midi dress I got from H&M just last week, and I absolutely love this dress. This dress is really stunning. I actually didn't think I was going to like it or it was going to look good on me. You know, sometimes you see items on the model online and you're like, it looks good on her, but it might not really look good on me, but you just basically want to see what it looks like when it comes. This dress actually exceeded my expectations. I love this dress to bits. I'm in love. I think this is one of my favorite dresses I have in my wardrobe. This is what it looks like. So it has this really nice ruched details, which I think just makes the dress really elegant and stunning. And the sleeves of the dress is like this balloon free sleeve, which I think adds a really nice touch and detail to the dress. It has this beautiful v-neck, which I think really complements my chest area. It is so stunning. I got this in a size small, and I'm quite happy I did because the material is really stretchy. In fact, it's quite stretchy. So I think if I'd gone for my regular size, which is a medium, it would have been a bit big on me. And since this is more of a bodycon dress, it's meant to be quite fitted on me. So I'm really glad I went down one size. So if you're looking at getting this dress, definitely go down one size if you want the really fitted look. But if you want it a bit free on you, then maybe stick to your regular size. But if you want it more flattering, then definitely go down one size. The dress is absolutely stunning. It's a really nice evening date night dress. I cannot wait to style this dress. I cannot absolutely wait to wear this dress. It is so gorgeous, and the length on me is perfect. So if you're a tall babe like myself, this dress is going to look absolutely stunning on you. It also has two slits at the sides. It just made it look extra beautiful. I love the details of this dress. I'm going to insert a try on clip when I try this dress on, so you can see what it looks like on me. But I think it's definitely going to flatter my shape so well. I absolutely love it. If you're looking for a perfect black midi dress, then this is it. This is it. You found the perfect midi dress, okay? The next item is also from H&M, and it's this green long gilet. This gilet is actually so cute. I really love it. It's a super casual jacket, but I think you can also style this jacket up. But to be honest, most times I think I would wear this jacket more casually, and the length is also really great on me. So it hits me just below, or is it above my ankle, but the length is actually really good on me. I absolutely love it. I don't think I have this style of jacket in my wardrobe. So for the size, it's in a size small, so it comes quite oversized. So I decided to go down one size. I don't want it too big or massive on me, so I went down one size. So if you're interested in getting this jacket, definitely go down one size because it comes oversized. Unless you really want it to look big and oversized on you, then maybe stick to your regular size. But if you still want a bit of shape, then definitely go down one size. It has these poppers in the middle, which is really easy to take off and to put on as well. So I love that. It's 100% polyester, so it's not the best of qualities, but for a jacket, I think it looks really good and it will actually last you a long time. The quality is really great, and I also love the quilted design as well. It just gives it a nice touch, and I think it makes the jacket look really stunning and elegant. But if you do not already have something similar, like this in your wardrobe, then this is a really good piece to get. Last item is another number from Asos, and this one is a long knitted dress. I got this a couple of weeks ago, but I haven't worn it yet. It's a really beautiful casual dress. I think you can definitely wear this around the house if you still want to look really pretty. You don't just want to throw on anything when you are home. I think this is a really beautiful knit dress you can wear around the house if you're working from home and you want to still look really, really cute. I absolutely love this dress. It's also from their tall range, so the length on tall girls would be really, really beautiful. I got this in a size 12 and it's an Asos design collection. This is what it looks like. The material is really good as well. It's in this soft fine material. I think it's 100% cotton. It's definitely going to stand the test of time and you would get a lot of wear from. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for sticking till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this collective haul. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye. It's been a long time.